unboxing Julo Shop. And I got some things from Bellanomi and Ancient Cosmetics. So let's unbox these Black-owned businesses. This one is Julo Shop. It smells really good. I got laundry detergent. Ooh, oh, this is actually big. 2 of these laundry detergent. It smells really good. I got Eco Daisy dish soap, Eco Daisy disinfecting wipes, Honey Pot, this deodorant, Simply plant-based flushable wipes. Probably still won't flush up. This one's looking good. This is Ancient Cosmetics. Ooh, I got a lemon scrub, body butter, Delicate Rose, and jojoba. Oh, and then I got some body oils. Okay, this is nice. Vanilla chai latte and Delicate Rose body oil. The same body cream that I got. Oh, cute. This is from Bellanomi. I got an African net sponge and it came with this little bag. Oh, I got a body cream. This was like part of a kit, I think. Oil, marula oil, mongongo oil, seed oil, melon oil, citrus, hemp seed, apricot kernel oil, vanilla seed, licorice root, aloe vera. Okay, so these are pretty good ingredients. It says naturally scented, using the natural scents of botanical extracts to deliver impactful skincare solutions while offering a refreshing aroma. Fragrance. That could really be anything. It seems like it's kind of an umbrella term. So this one is scented and it has different fragrances. Ooh. Oh, that smells really good. That smells really good. So that was what I got from the store. I'll have to report back on which things I like, you know? I'm really excited to use this laundry detergent actually, like very excited. I think we're just about running out too.